Hey Petrolheads, well, I've got another problem with Siggy. I must admit it has been there probably since I've owned the car. Some of you may have heard of it with your cars, some of you may not, but it's making a noise like a mooing cow, if that's the only way I can explain it, or maybe even a liner coming into dock. So I'm going to have a look, see what I can find, and I will let you know what I come up with. Okay, Sod's Law says it's not going to happen just because I want it to. So anyway, the hack that I've been told is the problem, which is the turbo wastegate activator, and it's that makes all the noise, and apparently it is a common problem on Vauxhall Insignias. So I'm going to show you how to do the hack. It saves you about £50, and it's going to probably cost you about £2. Let's see what I can do. So basically all you need is one of these, an inline petrol fuel filter, and what you're going to do is put it in between the outlet of the actuator and the outlet pipe. Once you've done that, that should cure it. So what I've done, I've attached another piece of pipe to the outlet of the actuator. It comes all the way round into the top of the petrol filter, out through the petrol filter, into the pipe that was attached to the bottom of the actuator, and down and away it goes. I'm told that's what will do the job. Now I'm going to take it for a run, and hopefully that's it. As you can see, I've also strapped it into place so it doesn't flop around. Yeah, I'll let you know as soon as I can whether it's fixed or not. Well, I've just come back from another long run. It's now 2 days later from when I made the video of putting the inline fuel filter in, and I'm pleased to say the moo cow has gone. It has not made that noise again since. So the chap on YouTube was absolutely spot on. What a cheap fix. £1.98 Euro car parts. So if any of you are struggling with the same problem, that's all it is. Very, very simple to fix. So that's it. Petrolhead Pete signing out. Over and out.